like international.
Yes. Yeah. We're learning a lot from you today. Thank you so much.
So, we're here sa rafting. Ayan. Tapos, prepare na sila. They're wearing boots. Tapos, helmet. Ayan. Pero, iiwan ko na tong gamit namin doon. So, bye! See you later. So, guys, ganyan na kami cycling. Ganda naman ng mga...
Something in the car, right?
No, it's okay.
All good?
All good.
Good. You will move the car.
Ah, okay. Okay. Ito na, rafting. Good rafting. So, ayan. Nandito na yung mga rafting. Tapos, yan, mag-vest ka. Dito sila lahat. Oh, MMDA. Charot.
Kanan.
Oh. So, ayan. Nandito na kami sa sasakyan. Papunta dun sa raft. Hi! Yan. Oh, akala ko lang driver. Kasi nandito sa kabila. The driver is on the other side. Here. So, yan, guys. Pupunta kami ng sa rafting. Rafting area. Yes. And the driver is there. And look at the view, guys. It's really cool. I'm so excited. Oh. Very excited? By the way, this is our way down doon sa rafting.
Baby, ingat ka.
Grabe pala pababa siya. Ayan. That's a lot of steps. They didn't prepare us for this.
Yeah, we were...
There wasn't a heads up. Okay, so ito na, guys. Nakikita ko na yung mga nagra-rafting. We're almost there. Grabe, after probably 20 minutes, walk down. Ito na kami. Ito na naman.
So we're preparing our boots. Hold it. Let's go! Wow, look at that beautiful nature.
Say hello, say hello.
Say hello.
Give the kiss, Mr.
Who do I have on the right side? Number 4. And Bella. Woo! On the left side, number 5. Woo! Next to me, who do I have? And then me. Baby, well, who's captain?
Hey. Thank you.
And then me, supervising the team.
We're here, nasa kalagitnaan na kami. Ayan. Grabe. Guys, ang ganda. Everyone should be able to try this at least once in their life. No? How's your experience so far?
It was fun.
Yeah, and meet Fabian. I haven't introduced you to
I love
my
it.
vlog.
You can be nature. You have water. You have beautiful people. We're singing while we're paddling. And I'm supervising you girls are doing a great job.
And we have a
I'm gonna
good
have to consider
photographer.
giving you guys a raise.
Thank you so much. Welcome to my vlog. So after rafting, they have free food. Oh, gutom na siya, oh.
Yummy.
Yan sila. Rice, noodles, spicy tempeh, mixed vegetables, and curry chicken. That's it.
Coffee. We have the coffee from the food animal. You heard about the luwak coffee?
I tried it yesterday.
It was good.
Oh, you get the
Yes.
yesterday?
Yeah, and I like it.
Ubud.
Okay, yeah. Okay, that's the two from the luwak. We have the real animal in behind. Yeah.
Oh.
But here we just have only one, like just for showing.
Okay.
After 1 week or 2 weeks, we release back to forest.
Oh.
And we don't keep a long time. Yes.
That's good.
That's
I will show you the
That's
luwak
nice.
inside. So the luwak.
Hi, luwak.
Now normally like a still sleeping, but you lucky you can see the luwak is awake.
Oh yeah. The last thing that I looked at what they call this in Balinese traditional house. Yes.
I go here.
Yeah. And then yeah, the Gula. And then the luwak, this one is a very smart animal. They know like the best quality the coffee bean.
So this is where they...
I can consider a person making coffee.
Ito yung luwak ko.
Yeah, so this is the pool from the luwak. So the pool will look like this, yeah. And then the first process, we make the luwak coffee.
This is the pool.
We wash first. We wash by hot water, and after we wash, we dry. And after we dry, we do like this. We peel the skin one by one. Yeah. We don't use the machine here because maybe we use the machine, they can break the coffee bean inside. Yeah.
Oh, so you do
Here.
it with your hands?
Yes.
Manual, yeah.
So all manual process here, yeah. And the bean after clean like this, the first process we do roasting first. We roasting, and then the second process we grind it. The last process we do filter to get smooth coffee, yeah. Here we make it coffee like all by hand. We never use the machine.
What's the smell of this?
This is so from the coffee.
No, this
No have smell this one.
doesn't
Yeah,
have
doesn't
smell.
have smell like that.
Oh, okay.
Yes. And also we have the cacao. So we use the cacao this one to make the hot chocolate.
Yeah. So dito, they try different... Hi! Those are our friends. So dito kami. Two. Oh, gusto niyo doon? Tatlo lang kasi tayo, no? Sige, we can stay there since there's only 3 of us. Yan. They're tasting, try coffee. So dito kami. Ito yung subject ko.
This is the picture all the testing, yeah. Later I will show the testing following the picture, like one by one, except the luwak coffee. If you want to try, we charge 50,000. Okay. So do you wanna like eating together and testing, or you wanna testing first?
What do you want to do first? The taste.
I will test it first. I think that would be amazing.
Testing first.
Yeah,
Okay. So for now, I will prepare testing for you. Yeah. You
amazing.
can have it first.
Yeah, want to have a luwak coffee.
You want to try luwak coffee? How many cups?
You want to try? Ako,
This one. I will prepare testing for you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Salamat.
thank you. Salamat. Ay!
Salamat. Yan ang salamat.
Walang ano man. First, I will put the body coffee, and this is the hot chocolate. We have the ginseng coffee. We call honeymoon coffee because it's good for energy. It's the lemongrass tea, and then the coconut coffee. We have the ginger tea. This is the vanilla coffee. It's the rosella tea. We have Bali coffee and cacao mocha.
That's the best one.
Yeah, mangosteen tea. And we have the turmeric tea, lemon tea. The last one, avocado.
Oh, I haven't tried this.
Okay.
You don't have that in Crete.
Oh, they don't have. So just for information, the testing this one, the taste a little bit sweet because the coffee already mixed with coconut sugar and milk powder,
Oh,
and the tea already mixed with honey and a bit sugar.
oh,
Except Bali coffee, no sugar, no milk. Hot chocolate, be a little bit sugar. Yeah.
okay.
And you, how many cups do you want? Just one?
Just one.
Like this. So for now, I will prepare the one for you. Yeah?
Thank you.
Thank you so
Tulungan
much.
ako nung ano.
Beb,
Ayan.
i-try mo na.
Sige, video
And-
to, no? Bali Ay, ito, bali. Ay, bali coco. Bali coffee to. Sige, let's try.
ba? Sarap. Ito mahal.
Okay,
Bigyan ko kayo guys.
try ko to. Bali.
Ano yan?
Bali coffee.
Okay.
Yan.
Ikaw din, Beb. Sama ka.
Sarap.
Ano kayo? Tester kayong dalawa. Kayo ang ano natin. Pinasarap.
Ay, ito kasi hindi ko coffee, no?
Ako yung ano na lang. Yung tawag doon?
Yung pink chart. Ay, masarap siguro.
Meron ba dyan yung parang coffee, ano? Ay, hindi coffee. Yung hot cocoa. Meron ba?
Meron nung ayun, bali cocoa.
Oo, patry ako naman.
Cacao. Sarap. Sarap, diba? I love it.
So we're going na sa ferry. Hi, pretty girl.
Hi! So stressful. Like,
Oh, it's Filipino time. We're always late. Yeah.
Guys, pakikishare na lang kung payong ah. Ay, shit. Pero mamaya pa. Wala, kaya pa natin yan. Opo, opo. Hawak. So, ito na ang aming transfer Shibuya. Ito kami sasakay. Thank you. Top. Yan. Pababa na kami sa tree house. So this is our way to the 6708. Papunta na kami ng hotel for Uluwatu. Ha? This one is 6710 na. 7, 5. There's a secret room. Ha? Hindi na ba yan? 7? 8 na yung dan ko. Ang gulo ah. Gulo numbering. Welcome to. Okay. Come on. I will. Pinakamasaya ko. So, hotel reveal na. Are you guys excited? So, welcome to our room. Dito siya. Beb. Wala. We didn't avail the breakfast. Okay. And wait lang. Room tour. This is the bathroom. We have a bathtub. Tapos, yan, this is the and kung gusto mo na magbabathtub ako ngayon. Nagbathtub ba kayo dun sa isang ako? It's not the same.
So, we came to an end. Ito na yung, last, paalis na kami pa ng airport. Anong masasabi mo?
Ka na miss siya. Ala, bali, sus ka nga.
Ito may iwan pa siya kasi yung flight niya bukas pa.
Miss ko sila, nalulungkot na ako. Suksama.
Okay. Bye and thank you, Bali. This is it, Pansit. So, bye. So, ayun na. Bye. We came to an end. We came to an end. We're going home. Thank you. Wala si Sir Jeremy, no? He's not here, so... Thank you, Bali.